Hello guys, I'm so glad you're here. Today we have some cleaning motivation. I will be tackling my kids' playroom today. We will be organizing and I'll be doing some decluttering, but not that much. I just wanted to get everything tidied up and everything in its place before I started to declutter all of their toys. I'm gonna let them pick out what they want in my next video. That way I'm not getting rid of toys that they love. This is what their toy room has looked like the last couple of days, and I am just over it. Decided that they really need to organize it, so I'm just going to do it before they get home. First things first, I'm just going to start taking out all of the covers, clothing, pillows that just don't belong in the toy room, and just go from there. Down in the comments, let me know which house chore you'll be tackling today, or what have you been postponing. Like me, it's been the playroom. I've been postponing this for several days now, and looks like I'm gonna get to it. So now that I'm starting to organize, I wanted to move this bookshelf to the other side. That way when you walk by this room and the door's open, the first thing you see is that bookshelf, and it's just a lot easier to keep the little toys organized in those bins, along with the little books and the dolls on top. For those of you that love to order from Shein, a lot of the clothing comes in these little like Ziploc bags, and they're very sturdy and they're perfect for all those little like mini brands or small little toys or toy cars. Since I have several of them, I used one of the bags for my daughter's fidgets and the other one for all her little LOLs and mini brands, and they just fit perfectly and it's easy for them to just put away. I love the feeling when you finally see the floor and you're able to see the space and what the floor actually looks like after a long day of trying to get everything together, and just that being able to vacuum the entire room is so satisfying. I decided to move the little wall art that they had. My daughter bought this unicorn from Dollar Tree, and it's just a removable sticker, wall sticker. And I'm just gonna move it above the bookcase. That way it just kind of matches like the pink vibe, the girly side. And then on the side where my son has his slide, I'm gonna go ahead and add his dinosaurs on that side. If you want to organize your toys, get bins. Putting your toys in bins or big Ziploc bags, it just makes it so much easier. You just toss them in there. So I just put all the toys that they play with the most that are smaller, I put them in the bins, and the bigger toys, I put them in that big plastic tub. I will have them choose which ones they want at a later time. But this is what it looks like. Check out my handsome little boy. And this is the layout that I decided to go with. They've been able to upkeep with their toys, so I just kind of separated everything in sections. The kitchen stuff with the kitchen stuff, and all the rest of the stuffed animals and the balls inside that bin. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time.